This is the Jade Stone Beauty Set from Deluco that includes a jade roller, a gua sha stone, and silicone application brush. Now jade is known as the stone of eternal youth, making it a great gemstone for facial treatment. And today I'm going to show you how to use each piece. Remove all makeup to start, as I've done, and with the jade roller, start by applying moisturizer or serum. Then, using very gentle pressure, roll in an up and outward direction on your forehead, cheek area, eyes, jaw, and neckline. Repeat 3 to 5 times on each side of your face, and this is great for your skin and also super relaxing. With the gua sha stone, again, apply moisturizer or serum, and then gently scrape with light to medium pressure and at slow speed over the surface of your face in an up and out motion. You can do the third eye, lower forehead, under eyebrow, under eyes, upper and lower cheek, chin and jawline, and the neck. Now repeat 3 to 5 times on each side of the face again, and using the gua sha stone encourages lymphatic drainage and helps improve skin elasticity. Then the Deluco silicone brush is soft and gentle on the skin and great for applying facial masks. You can use this brush to eliminate product waste or contamination. This set from Deluco makes a great gift for a friend or yourself. Search Deluco Jade Roller Set on Amazon to learn more and order yours.